Hi everybody, it's Michaela. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're taking the time to watch this video with me today. So the lighting might be a little bit off today. We are getting ready to have some pretty severe thunderstorms in my area today and tonight. So if the lighting isn't as good as normal, I'm so sorry. Today I have my empties and unempties from this last week, which was our green week. So I do have quite a bit. I don't have things very organized in here at all, so they're kind of all mixed in. But first I did want to show two candles that I've gotten through. Definitely not this week, it's taken me quite a while. And one of them I forgot to show you and it's just kind of been hanging out. So the first is a Homeworks candle by Fireside. And the notes on this are sultry incense, smoked firewood, rich clove buds, and mulled spices. I did have good luck with this one. It burned all the way down. And this is a really, really nice scent. I do really enjoy this. I personally am not buying candles right now. These are just too expensive for me. And so I'm just trying to use up what I have. I have so many. If I ever found one of these again on a really good deal and I did need more candles, then I would pick this up again. This is definitely kind of a very pine, smoky, woodsy type scent. And so I really, really did enjoy it. I'm just not really buying candles that much anymore. I don't really burn candles very much anymore. And so I have no need to buy them. The next is this Vanilla Bean Macaron, also by Homeworks. And this one is, and I'm probably saying it wrong, Macaron, yeah. So vanilla bean, whipped vanilla, brown sugar, and amber are the scent notes on this. And again, this one did burn down clear to the bottom as well. This was a very, very subtle scent. It really just kind of like a vanilla bakery to me. I enjoyed it. I wasn't super strong. I wouldn't need to get it again, even if I was buying candles. So those are my candles. There's really gonna be no rhyme or reason to this box. Oh, I do have one more empty. This is a Bath & Body empty. This is from Bath & Nerdy. She did a Harry Potter restock. So it is pumpkin juice and these are bubbling bath salts. And it was in this cute little polyjuice type potion bottle. And I really enjoyed this. These had a really nice scent. The scent wasn't super strong once they were in the bathtub. They're not very moisturizing. It's more just the scent to me, but I enjoyed them. Okay, so now on to everything else. I'm gonna try and show my non-empties first, but they're kind of buried. So first I have a scoop from L3 Waxing Wonders. This is in Strax Acid Bath, which is Boogie Be Gone, Peppermint, and Rosemary Mint. I did use up maybe about half of it. I do really like this one. I actually had fun kind of combining this with a few different scents this week, and I really did enjoy this one. I used up some of Highlands of Scotland, which is strawberry white cake, whipped cream, and ice cream. I did really like this one. It wasn't super, super strong, but it was definitely a different strawberry scent than like the strawberry pound cake. I don't feel like they're the same scent at all. This is to me more like a white cake with some strawberries on it. So that really is more what I got out of this one versus the strawberry pound cake. Maybe this one's a little bit lighter. The strawberry note, I almost feel like it's a little bit more of a strawberry jam-y type note than strawberries. See, I have a chunk muffin from Rose Girls with Spearmint Coconut Noel. I do have a little bit left of this one. I did fully use one other one, which you'll see later. I really enjoyed this. It's super strong. However, this one, because it doesn't have any other mints or any other bakery with it, it leans a tiny bit gummy to me. Not super bad, but if you don't like spearmint for those reasons, then you probably wouldn't like this one. I did combine it a few times with other things, and I really, really liked it. I am going to move this one on to this week's basket to go ahead and finish it up because it is kind kind of a weird shape anyway. So I'm gonna continue using that this week. I also used part of Shy Guy from Rose Girls, which is spearmint, pine, and shaving cream. This one was so good. So I never really got like a necessarily pine type smell, but the pine and the spearmint together made a really, really good scent. The shaving cream was really good as well, and it kind of like lingered. It's so good. So this scent lasted a really long time. It really lasted overnight. And by the next morning, I mean, there was still some scent kind of lingering left over. So I really liked this one quite a bit. I would definitely get that one again. I have, I have Slytherin from Lurid Apothecary. So key lime pie and pie crust. I have just a little bit left. This one was really good. I really, really liked the scent, but it wasn't quite as strong as I would have liked. And I don't know if I should have let it cure a little bit longer, but I just kind of got like a medium throw on it. So I'm gonna continue to melt some of my Lurid and see, you know, if that's pretty consistent that I get kind of a medium throw, or if it's specific scents or what. But I really do like the scent. It's a really nice scent. Next, I have Strawberry Don't Cross Streams Funnel Cake. This is a loaf of L3 Waxing Wonders. This one is so good. I really, really enjoy this one, and I will get more of this one when she offers it again. It's just a really good strawberry, and it's kind of like almost a bright strawberry, and I really like it with the funnel cake. But I like scents like that. I also really like waffle cone type scents, so if you like those type of scents, you might like this one as well. And it did really well. Like I said, there's so much in here this week, it's hard to tell. Okay, I have Mrs. Claus Meets a Leprechaun from Sassy Girl Aroma, which is minty milk, coconut meringue cookies. This was my nighttime melt on St. Patty's Day. I love this scent. I will probably always love this scent and continue to purchase this scent. It's such a nice bakery, minty, coconutty smell. It's delicious. It's super good. I love it. And then I think this is my last non-empties. So this is a scoop from L3 Waxing Wonders and Mallow Fireside Peppermint Pink Sugar. So I also use this one to kind of combine things. So I combined it with the chunk muffins a couple times. I combined it with the Strax Acid Bath. And I like this, but it's not pepperminty enough on its own. And so that's why I've kind of been just combining it with other stronger minty scents. Okay, so now we will go into the empties. So we have some L3 scoops. So this one's the Burrow, so fresh baked cinnamon rolls with extra brown sugar and vanilla frosting. I really do like this one. It's missing the lid because if you guys watch my latest L3 haul, I had a broken lid, so I just flipped it right over. I really do like this one. It's a really nice cinnamon roll scent. I've purchased this one in other blends. I've purchased this again on its own. I'll probably buy it again, but probably not until fall. This one is Boardwalk Taffy Toasted Mallow Cotton Candy and Salty Sea Air. So this was kind of funny. I had my 6-year-old smell this one, and he's like, it smells like cotton candy. And I didn't tell him what was in it. So I thought it was really funny that that was the scent that he picked out. And it really did. It smelled like a cotton candy with just a little bit of that salty sea air, kind of the undertone of the toasted marshmallow and the Boardwalk Taffy. It was really, really good. So it was like kind of like a sophisticated cotton candy when it was melting. So it was good. We enjoyed it. And I just thought it was funny that my son, my 6-year-old, was like, it smells like cotton candy. This next one was actually a really big hit. I really, really enjoyed this one. And I am going to look for this one again, or at least some similar ones. So this one is Beach Sage Mint Boardwalk Mallow Clouds and Toasted Mallow. This was so good. And I don't think I have any other blends with the Beach Sage Mint in it. And I don't know if that's one oil or if it's like Beach Sage and then mint. I don't know, but it was really good. It was kind of almost a fresh greenish type scent. but pretty. I don't even know how to explain it. It was so good. I actually had a friend come over that night and she's like, oh, your house smells so good. So I really, really liked this one. I really like this one. It's really good. And now on to, let's see if we can pull out the clams, and then we'll go to the bags. Okay, so I did one Scentsy, which I never melt Scentsy. This one is sea salt and avocado. I didn't really smell this one, honestly, when I first put it in. And it was because I put this in upstairs, and the scent that I had going down here actually like took over the upstairs. And so I didn't smell this until later, but it did last a really long time. It's a really pretty scent. I won't get it again because I don't buy Scentsy typically, but I did really enjoy it. I have All the Best People Are Bonkers from the Bathing Garden. This one was really good. I really enjoyed this one. I don't know what the scent notes are, but I do really like this collection, and so I might pick up more when the Alice in Wonderland collection comes out. This was a big hit. So this is Coconut Lime Verbena, and my husband actually commented that he really, really liked this one. And it did have a St. Patty's thing, and even the picture is kind of like a St. Patty's thing. And so I didn't see it in her St. Patty's collection this year. So if you guys know if she comes out with this again, or if another vendor has this same scent, let me know, because I would like to get more for my husband. It's just such a bright, citrusy, it's just a beautiful scent. It's a really nice, it was really pretty. We really enjoyed it. Okay, I have Cookies with the Clauses, Santa's on Keto, Mrs. Claus Cookies Sugar Milk. So this is a 2 bunts. I really like this scent. I've had this scent before. It was actually the first green melt that I did this week, and it was so nice to have some bakery again. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I had just a couple pieces of this Ava's Country Cupboard Tiffany's Pistachio Waffle Cone. Or actually, no, was this the one that I had more pieces of? I don't remember now. This one was good. I enjoyed it. I don't know if I'd get it again though. The Burrow Hufflepuff, I should have 2 of these. Yep. So the Burrow Hufflepuff Fresh Baked Cinnamon Rolls with extra brown sugar and vanilla frosting. So her 2 chunky buns. I think I prefer the Burrow on its own rather than blended with Hufflepuff. I did finish up Pink Peppermint Sleepy Time. This was one of her Brittles, breakaway bars? Brittles, sorry. Pink Sugar, Lavender, Peppermint, Spearmint, Chamomile. One of my favorite nighttime scents. I really enjoy it. I have more, or no, I ordered more of this one because I have just the Pink Sleepy Time. So I did order the Pink Peppermint Sleepy Time. Palo Dreams. So this is by Soul's Inspiration. So this is Palo Santo Orange Sherbet Creamy Vanilla Ice Cream. This was really nice. I really enjoyed this one. It had a good Palo Santo smell, and I actually didn't mind it with the orange and the vanilla ice cream. Would I get it again? Probably not. My biggest reason for not wanting to purchase that again along with the Avis is I'm just not really looking to purchase from new vendors right now. So if I got some from someone, I would thoroughly enjoy it, but I'm not going out and purchasing from new vendors at this point, I don't think. Rose Girls Up North, this mini melter bag. I really enjoyed this one. Definitely a little bit more of a Christmassy type scent, but it was really pretty. It lasted a long time. I don't have the scent notes, but it was like a pine type scent, and it was kind of leaning a little fresh, not bakery. So, but it was really good. Wolf Wicks, this is Birdie's Boff. So sugared apples, cotton candy, apple, lemon, jelly beans. This wasn't very strong. I don't know how old this was. It was something I was given in a D-stash. It was a nice scent, but I couldn't smell it very well. Lurid Apothecary's Jack Christmas. So lavender, marshmallow, blue sugar, and Palo Santo. The problem that I keep on having with these little samples, and I'm trying to remind myself, but I keep on putting them in places like my laundry room or a bathroom or something like that, and then I don't go in and smell them during the day. And so sometimes I don't get the chance to really see what they are doing on worm. I think that this was good on worm, but it's just one of the ones that I just didn't go in and check. Rose Girls Lambu Leap. This one was really nice. We really enjoyed this one. It's, I believe it's an apple one. I need to start writing illicit notes. Yeah, it's like an apple scent. Lydia from Lurid Apothecary, Jolly Ranchers, Spun Sugar and Vanilla Bean. This, I mainly just got Jolly Ranchers. And I got this one also in a D-stash, so I don't really know how old that one is. From Closet Full of Wax, we have Shoregasm, which is Coconut Lime Breeze, Beach Cabana, and Beach Dunes. This one, I don't know why, but I got like a cantaloupe honeydew melon type smell from it. It was very weird. And I kept on thinking, what did I put in? What did I put in? And then I would look and it's like, oh, that does not smell to me at all like the description. So to me, I got a melon scent out of it. Kind of like a cucumber melon type scent. I don't know. L3 Waxing Wonders Bellatrix. So this is Oak Moss and Black Amber. I actually really liked this one. And had I melted this one before I placed an order for her clearance loaves, I would have added a loaf of this. I don't love scents like this all the time, but every now and then I do. And my son has been really into kind of these more masculine type scents. And this one's really nice and it's really strong, performs extremely well when it's melting. I really enjoyed it. Big Bird's Birthday by Sassy Girl Aroma, Cotton Candy Lemon Curd and Birthday. So if you're wanting a good lemon curd that's not overpowering, that's kind of what this one is. This one's a really nice scent, really enjoyed it. I do have more of this. I probably will continue to buy more of that. Misfit Toys, so Candy Canes Toasted Marshmallows, Cotton Candy Frosting, Kettle Corn. This is by L3. So I liked this one, but I got 0 candy canes. So I mostly got kind of the cotton candy frosting, the toasted marshmallow, and the kettle corn, which was fine. And it was a really nice bakery and I enjoyed it. Every time I walked in, I'm like, oh, when am I melting? This is good. But I just really did not get that candy cane smell at all in that. Britta's Creepy Treasures. So this is Creeps and Berries. So tea and cakes, blackberry jam and blackberry. This was so good. This was so good. I thoroughly enjoyed this. If she offers this again, I would definitely buy it. I really liked it. Super strong blackberry, super good tea and cakes. It was delicious. I loved it. Sassy Girl Aroma, Tuscan Toucan Sam. So this is something that I was sent in a D-stash. It was just like a little piece. This was so good. This was so overpowering. So this is like a Fruit Loops, I think, blend. It is so good. So I thoroughly enjoyed this. It was super strong. It kind of came out of the rooms that I had it in and overtook the other rooms, and it was delicious. Salt Mountain Melts, bread and jam for Francis. So baked zucchini bread, blackberry jam butter cookies, and creamy butter. So this was poured back in June of 2020, so it is older. I really got the zucchini bread on this one, but I really didn't get much of the blackberry jam. Again, it's coming up on 2 years old, so maybe that's why. I don't know for sure how long her melts are good and stay good, but yeah, I got a nice zucchini bread scent, but I really didn't get the blackberry jam. Ashes Scents Sherbet Lemon, so rainbow sherbet, lemonade, and pink gumdrops. This was super good. It was really strong. I really enjoyed it. This is still some of that Christmas Advent Harry Potter one that I'm trying to get through, but I thoroughly enjoyed that one. It was really good. Okay, some of these got mixed up. So here's the empty one of the Spearmint Coconut Noel. I really enjoyed this, and if she did this in mini melters, I'd definitely pick it up, and then maybe I would pick up some bakery to add to it, or just peppermint or something. Because I think like I said, I liked it mixed a little bit better than I liked it on its own, but it's so strong, so strong. I have this one sample that was not green. It's Jell-O Fluff Cake. So my A 6-year-old and 8-year-old, they share a room and they have their own warmer in there. It's the Cars warmer from Scentsy. Super cute. But he really wanted to melt this one day, so I let him because he enjoyed it. And it was really nice. Definitely was kind of like a jello-y type scent. Yeah, it was good. From Ash's Scents Accio Christmas, so Santa Baby Strawberry Stiletto Martini. This one was also really good. I didn't like it as much as I liked the other one, but I did enjoy this one and it did well. L3 Waxing Wonders Aquaman. This was 2 fluted hearts, I believe. I really enjoyed this. I would like to get more Aquaman. I don't know if I need a full loaf of it because that would last me forever, but maybe a bud pack or Bitty Betty or something. This one is Don't Cross Streams Coconut Shortbread Cookies. This was a chunk. This was really good. I just love coconut bakery so much. And this just was a really, really good coconut bakery. It lasted a long time, performed very well. When you really could smell it, I really enjoyed it. I would definitely get it again, or even other similar ones from her. I love L3. We have a sample in Lego-tastic. This was one of the ones that I put in and I honestly don't remember. I didn't go back in to smell it. I need to do better with that. I think that's the problem that I have when I do different scents in different rooms is that sometimes I don't go back and smell things like I should. We have 2 of the chunky buns in Drums of Autumn. So Fallen Leaves, Flakery Pie Crust and Bakery Bomb. These were really good. Definitely very much fall scent. Would I get it again? I don't know. I enjoyed it, so maybe like a smaller amount, like maybe a pack of buns again, but I wouldn't need a whole loaf in this, but I did enjoy it and it was good and it was strong. Okay, a sample in Cucumber Melon from Kay's Scented Wax Melts. This was good. I do like Cucumber Melon. Botanical Orchard and Nectar from Rose Girls. This was good. Again, I put it in my laundry room and bathroom. It performed well. I could still smell it when I changed it. I don't know if this is a scent I could do throughout my whole house because it would be kind of headache inducing to me with it being floral. I'm not a huge floral person. Okay, we have What's Up Beaches. So Saltwater Mermaid, Saltwater Taffy, Boardwalk Molo Clouds. This was really good. I really enjoyed this. I would definitely get more of this. This was a puppy pack and I just had 3 pieces left that I used up. Green Apple Brown Betty Kolaches. This was nice. I don't know if I'd get more again, but they performed well. These again were the chunky buns. Again, kind of a fall scent, but I'm trying to get through a little bit of that fall wax since I have so much. Don't Cross Streams Hufflepuff. And Hufflepuff is fresh baked cookies, sweet cinnamon, sugar, and pumpkin pasties. This is okay. I think that I don't love Hufflepuff. Like I don't mind it, but I don't love it, which is not a good thing because I have a whole loaf in it. But maybe if I melted it on its own, I'd like it a little bit better. I mean, these all performed really well. I just think that Hufflepuff maybe isn't my favorite fall bakery. Spruce Willis by Rose Girls. This was really good. It was super strong, a very masculine type scent. It was super, super strong. So if you like masculine type scents, you might like that one. Another sample from the Bathing Garden. This one in Summer Melon and Mint. This was nice. The mint wasn't very strong. It was more of that summer melon than really a mint scent. Leprechaun Mint by Bathing Garden. This was more stronger. That's not correct. This is a stronger mint scent than the other one. I did enjoy that one. Ava's Country Cupboard Tiffany and the Grinch. This one was the one that I had just a couple pieces of. This was actually really nice. I really liked this. When I went in to change the wax, I was like, oh, what's in my warmer? And I was like, oh yeah, it's this. But I really do like cupcakes at Tiffany's, and I think the Grinch is kind of like maybe a pepperminty cookie type. Pistachio Zucchini Waffle Cone by Sassy Girl Aroma. This is pistachio, marshmallow, zucchini, and vanilla waffle cone. This was really good. This was the one that was kind of going upstairs and overpowering everything. So it was really strong, but it didn't last as long. And I kind of find that with these chunky muffins, chunky pies, whatever she calls them. I find that either the scent isn't quite as strong as either the brittles or the loaves, or it just doesn't quite last as long. Lemon basil from Hayden Rowe. This is one of her chunk samplers. This is really strong, really good. And then the last one is actually clam, sorry. So rock candy, this is by Sensationals. This is so good. It was so good, but it burns my warmers. So I put it in 3 warmers. One of them I use a silicone liner for, and the other 2 I just put in the dishes because they're a light warmer. And the 2 with the dishes, it completely burned the bottoms, and I had to like scrub them out with the magic eraser pad. So I don't know, why does other people have that with this? Like, they perform so well and they're so good, but then it's nasty to clean up. Like, it's so gross. And I've thought that as I try and use up my other ones that I could put like those little paper liners in, but then they'll just burn the bottom of those. So I don't know. What do you guys do when you melt these? Am I the only one that has them burn? Like, and they don't ever smell burnt. Like, no bad smell at all. Super great smell. It's just my warmers get all nasty. Like, as I try and clean it out with the cotton ball, like cotton ball rips apart. It's really gross. I don't get it. So anyway, that is all of my empties. I actually got through a ton this week, and it was because so much of what I was melting were a lot of like the smaller sizes. So just a quick little mini life update if you guys are interested. My 6-year-old a couple days ago actually broke his arm. So poor little guy, he's in a splint right now, and we're going to be going today at 2 to see the other doctor and see if they can do a cast or if they have to wait longer. So we'll see, but the poor little guy, he's struggling. It's heavy, it's awkward, and today was his first day back at school because we had spring break. Well, I mean, he broke it Saturday, so I guess that doesn't really matter, but so we'll see. We'll see how he does. He's kind of miserable right now, but again, thank you for taking the time to watch. Let me know what were some of the favorites that you melted this week. Did you find any new favorites? I think a new favorite really that I found this week was the Bellatrix. I really enjoyed that one, and that kind of surprised me because I didn't think that it was something I would enjoy. And then also the other one that I really, really enjoyed this week that was a surprise as well was this one. So I definitely want more of this one. And then my husband enjoyed this one. So definitely had a few new favorites this week. Had quite a bit that I just really enjoyed. And then a few that were just okay, which is fine. It was a really good melting week. So I hope that you're having a great day. I do have a few other videos I'm going to record today. So I will see you next time. Bye.